This channel exists to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators harness the power of video to boost their brands. Welcome to New Territory Media. On this channel, you'll find videos about YouTube marketing, video production, the latest tools on all types of media creation, and a whole lot more. My name is Joey Dowd. I'm a documentary producer turned entrepreneur. I've had projects on the New York Times, Hulu, and Netflix, to name a few, but I saw a shift in where people were watching videos, so I created New Territory Media, an agency that creates YouTube channels and other video content for brands. That's the service we offer and how we make our money, but I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to put out good videos that you find useful, keep experimenting and learning about the YouTube algorithm, and then sharing what we learn right back here. Nice big circle. Now, if we look at who makes videos, I look at it as kind of like a three-part triangle. We've got studios like Netflix, Disney, HBO. We've got creators like Mr. Beast, Casey Neistat, Rhett and Link. And then we have brands. I believe brands are going to be the media networks of the future with super niche content. And I want to help empower them to make the best content possible with their given resources. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and let's get to making videos.